Have you ever thought of life as just a long series of negotiations between you and whatever it is that you really, really want? Whether that's a yes or a no, you're gonna want to hear this, believe me. I just finished reading Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss, and I just had to share a review because this book will have you feeling so empowered in every aspect of your life. Whether it's business or personal, you can actually use these negotiation strategies in any conversation. Before I jump in, here's some quick background about the author Chris Voss. He's actually a former international hostage negotiator for the FBI, and he's turned his knowledge and expertise on life-saving negotiations into 10 incredible chapters based on 5 major ideas that will help you effectively persuade anyone in any type of discussion. But you have to promise me not to use this information for evil. I'm Lucy Vincent, founder and CEO of LVS and the Lucy Vincent, and I started my agency and coaching business after I decided I was done being an employee, trapped in the 9-to-5 corporate rat race. And now I help other purpose-driven female entrepreneurs create flawless marketing systems to scale their business and find financial freedom. A quick thank you for watching, and if you find value in this video, please be sure to hit the like button right below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for even more killer content. Alright, let's get into these 5 big ideas that I took away from this book. There's so much helpful advice, but these main ideas summarize a lot of what you'll learn in this book. Negotiation all starts with great listening. This is a major part of any type of communication, but especially when you're negotiating. You have to be able to hear the other side, validate their emotions, and seal that bond of trust before you can even begin negotiating. Pretty relatable, right? Become a mirror to the other side. This means repeating what you're hearing, putting yourself in their shoes, connecting on a deeper level of understanding. Voss mentions that using the mirror strategy will also buy you some time to formulate responses, regroup, and encourage the counter to reveal their strategy. For example, repeat back what you're hearing, and your counterpart will most likely elaborate on what was said, sustaining your connection. Expanding on the mirror strategy, Voss writes about how to be tactically empathetic. This means comprehending the feelings and mindset of your counterpart, but then also hearing and anticipating what might be behind those feelings. This way, you can be of influence in the moments to follow. This helps to bring emotional attention to potential obstacles and clear them to make way for an agreement. What you need to do is label your counterpart's emotional pain points. This is really a good one that you might be uncomfortable with. When you can identify an emotion that you want to highlight, the next step is to actually label it out loud. For example, if you identify that your potential lead is feeling angry or frustrated about somebody they worked with in the past who couldn't deliver on what they promised, you can respond with, "It seems like," or "It sounds like," or "It looks like you're still a little upset because somebody did you wrong in the past." Next, once you've labeled their emotion, you have to pause and let your counterpart fill the silence. This will encourage them to identify with that feeling and help diffuse any negativity. Ready for another one that's probably going to make you a little uncomfortable? Learn to seek the word no. N-O. When you hear no, this provides a great opportunity for you and your counterpart to get clear on what it is they really want. It's like a big process of elimination. Find the no's so you can eliminate everything that they don't want first. When you hear no, respond with something that sounds a bit like this. "What about this doesn't work for you?" Or, "What do you think you need to solve this problem?" Try getting all the no's out of the way early, and that way you can focus on solutions and yeses. Well, this was just a quick review of the 5 major points in this masterfully created book. I highly recommend checking it out if you're looking for smarter ways to negotiate with anyone, but especially potential leads and clients. Chris is definitely a genius at his craft, and I'm thankful to come away with the knowledge that he's shared. If you've already read this book, or when you're finished with it, just drop a comment below on your favorite takeaways. I'd love to hear what you think. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies for the purpose-driven female entrepreneur. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.